So the positioning of your arms is very important because a quadruped is a movement that you're likely to love even more as you continue your life. It's a really great way to do some back stabilization exercises at any age. So in order for you to be able to rest with your hands comfortably on the ground, not upsetting your neck, you have to have a wrist, you have to have a decent range of motion at the wrist, but it's also important how you set the humeral head in relation to its joint, and its joint, which is the scapula, on the rib cage. So what you want to do is externally rotate your upper arm, the upper arm bone, but internally rotate from the elbow on down. Spread out your fingers and really make a point of grounding through the base of the index finger and the thumb in both hands. The hands will be directly underneath your shoulders and your knees directly underneath your hips. So from the side, this looks like, it's almost like screwing things in for safety. From there, you can go on to a cat-cow, contralateral stabilization.